ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So till now we have done past tense, present tense and future tense. Hope you are all comfortable with the past, present and future, and you know very well the past, present and future tense. So now today we'll be learning past continuous tense. So before coming to this video, make sure that you know the past, present and future very well. Only then you have to come to this video. If you don't know, please revise, do the activities and then come to the video. So in the past continuous, so first before going to the past continuous, let me write for the past tense. Past tense ಏನು? It's ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, we did, ಅವನು ಮಾಡಿದನು, he did, ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು, she did, ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದರು, they did. I'm really sorry for not so good handwriting. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, it did. So ಇದು simple past. So now I'm going to the past continuous. So what is this past continuous? In the past continuous, basically I'll be having the was. I was doing. What is I am doing? I am doing is a present continuous. He is doing, present continuous. He was doing, past continuous. Yes. So that is what we are learning about. So before this I will also write for you the present tense. So present tense it's basically is doing, ing words, okay? Is doing, ing words, okay? So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನಾನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, I am doing, okay? So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಾನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ತಿದ್ದೆನು, no can be excluded. I was doing homework, ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಓಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. So try always with the different verbs. Next, same thing, last letter change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Exactly, you are right. So that is what we learned in all the other tenses, right? ನಾವು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು. So here it will change to ne. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವನು ರಾಜ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದನು ಆರ್ ತಿದ್ದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೇಮ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸುಮಾ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು, ದೆನ್ ನಾಯಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ರಾಜ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್, ರಾಜ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದ, ನಡೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಕ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೀತಾ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಸೀತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು, ಹೋಗು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗೋ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಬರು is used in past continuous, present and future. I already told you this in the future tense video, right? So hope you remember this. Very good. Next one, I'll go with one more example. ಹೇಳು, okay? We were saying, ನಾವು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? That's it. Very simple. So ಇದು past continuous. So what you have to do is take a sheet of paper, okay? I'm really sorry for the dog background noise. Take a sheet of paper, make a 4 columns. First column past tense, second column past continuous, present tense and future tense. What you are supposed to write? You are supposed to write only this part. Write this once. First column ನಾನು, second column only past tense, third column as a past continuous, fourth column is a present and the fifth column is a future tense. So you have to make a 5 columns. Okay na? Adu ಮಾಡಿ stick that in your study room or anywhere you go around always. So by doing this, you will be looking that every day, that chart. The chart will help you a lot. And also I recommend you to take these two books from Yashaswi Kannadavaani, which is being launched. These two books, this is a practice book and this is a reference book. This will come with a spiral binding actually. So the binding will be like this, the spiral binding. You can order for the hard copy, the printed copies if you want, or else you can download the book and print on your own also. Whichever is comfortable, you can do that one. But make sure that you will do the activity every day and be thorough with the tenses, which is very important. After tenses, we will be going with us many more negative sentences. We have to work on the stories. We have so many things to do. So if you have not understood the tenses, then we won't understand any of those things. So I request you all to practice this every day. First practice the past, past continuous, present and future. Everything. Okay? So if you have any doubt, comment ಮಾಡಿ or write an email. Be comfortable to ask with me. Okay na? So thank you so much for watching. I request you to share this video with your friends who are finding difficult to learn Kannada. Share ಮಾಡಿ. Sharing the knowledge is like gaining a knowledge. Very true. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon with another video anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.